Hello and welcome back to the Chronicle. Dear friends, in this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the length of the number. Suppose you have unique IDs of customers in this column and you can easily identify whether the unique IDs of 10 digits are correct or whether some numbers are same. So the unique ID I want should be of 10 digit and no 9 digit number should be allowed. So how to remove that? So first of all, let's identify. You can identify with this the length formula. Click on length and select the cell, corresponding cell, and just enter. So this number digits are 10. So likewise you can find out here. So after finding out, what you can do is just apply the filter over here and click only 9 numbers and you can remove all this. So one more method is, if you don't want to repeat this mistake again while entering the numbers, what you can do is, just before entering the number, you have to create data validation formula so that you should not enter whenever you are entering number less than or more than that, it will just give you the error. So for this we have to go to the data tab, and under data tab here is the data validation. So we have to select the column from where you have to start. So select the column where you want to start and go to the data validation, and you have to select here custom. Under custom, what you have to do is just enter the formula like and open the bracket, length of the number from where you want to start. I want to start from F3, close the bracket, and the length should be and comma is number. If the length of is number, if it is true 10 under F3, then okay, should not give the error. Okay, then click on okay. Right now I'm entering the number 9448 365 123. Let's see. Okay, it's working. Now let's type only 5 numbers. So see, this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So not take it. You have to retry it again. 7891. Enter. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5. Retry it. Now it's working. So this is how you can manage the number, manage the unique IDs of customers, of Aadhaar and everything. So if you don't want to repeat the mistake, these formulas are very useful. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share this channel.